All right, start off by going to python.org. Click that link in the nav bar for downloads, and then hit the big yellow button to download the latest version of Python. Once that downloads, up in the top right-click the download, hit open, and then before you hit install now, go down to the option at the bottom and select add python.exe to path. That's really important. Then hit install now. It'll probably take a couple minutes for Python here to install on your system. But once it's complete, you can close out of the setup window. With Python installed, go to your computer's file explorer, and usually under this PC, click on the C drive. Right click within the C drive folder and select create a new folder. Name this folder apps or something similar. Click into that apps folder and create a new folder. Right click, new folder, and name it something like first app. Then open up a text editor. For now, Notepad is just fine. But copy the Python code from the description of this video into the new text file. In that text file, click File, Save As, and navigate into the C drive, your apps folder, and then first app folder. Give this file a file name of app.py and save as type all files. Hit save and then open up a new text file in Notepad and just type any text you want to see on your first web page. I'm going to put "it works" here. Click File, Save As. You should already be navigated to the first app folder, but give this a file name of index.html and save as type all files. But don't save it directly into the first app folder. Right click in that first app folder, go new folder, and create a templates subfolder. So inside of that, save your index.html file. Inside of the first app folder, you should have an app.py file, and then a template subfolder with the index.html inside of that subfolder. Next, open up a command line interface on your computer. I like PowerShell. If you don't have that installed, you can search for CMD, and all Windows computers will have command prompt, which works just fine. Once that command line interface is open, you can navigate back to the top folder, the C drive, by typing CD backspace and hitting enter. And then from there, type CD space apps to go into your apps folder, and then CD space first app to go into your new project folder. There is a little program we need to install to use a website with Python. It's called Flask, and you can install it right here by typing pip space install space Flask and hitting enter. This will take a minute or two to install as well, but once it's completed, you can type the command to run your new Python app, and that is python space app.py, and hit enter. Once it starts up, it will say it's running on your computer's loopback 127.0.0.1. You can hit Control on your keyboard and click that address to open up the new web page in your browser. And we can see the text we made for the website is showing, saying "it works." From there, you can edit the text for the website in your index.html page. Once you make changes, you have to go File and Save, and then refresh in your browser, and you should see those changes. Now, for complex changes, ChatGPT can help. Just ask it to write you an HTML file and then describe what you want that page to look like. ChatGPT for code gives a grayed out box for the code, and you can click copy at the top of that box and then paste that into your index.html file. Remember to hit File and Save before refreshing the page on your browser. You can use ChatGPT for changes to your app.py file as well, but you're started, you got your first Python app running.